We are giving the YouTube channel Philosophical Quotes a burst of inspiration with this logo. We hope you're going to love it. PUBX Games, I think. Let's jump right in on Canva and create this logo. Access www.canva.com and open a blank canvas that you want to use. Then click on Elements to go add a circle on your canvas. You could also press C to add a circle on your canvas. Reduce the size of your circle because you're trying to create the head of your peacock. Next, we're going to go ahead and change the color of our circle. I checked our peacock and we're going to make it blue because that's what I've seen online when I googled peacock. Next, you're going to add another circle and change the color of the circle and make it white. You're creating an eye of a peacock, so you're going to make it the smallest white shape and put it on top of the blue circle. Next, let's go back to our lines and shape and look for a triangle. Then you're going to change the color of the triangle, also make it blue, and then size it and make it a little bit smaller to represent the beak of our peacock. Next, you're going to head over to your elements and search for a curved shape. Scroll down and pick this curved shape and add it to your canvas. We're then going to align the curved shape on our round head and make sure that it looks authentic and it looks like a real peacock, and we then change the color and also make it blue. Next, we're going to go back to our elements and we're going to search for teardrops. We're going to be using teardrops to create the body of the peacock. Align it to the body and then change the color and make it also blue. Next, copy the curved shape and make sure that you have a duplicate copy and then align it on the extra space so that it looks completely like a body and there's no extra spaces. You can use a couple of these curved shapes to make sure that it looks nice and clean. And once you're done, if there's still an extra space, you can press L for line and make sure that there are no extra gaps in the body of your design.
I know it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give an art, but now.
Next, add another teardrop and then change the color of the teardrop to make it white. Create a gap on your peacock and then add another teardrop with the same color to add the rest of the body of our peacock.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Now we're going to head over to our elements and we're going to search for splash. With the splash, we're wanting to create the peacock's feathers that go on top of their head. So scroll down to find like a nice splash that would add a nice look on top of the head of the peacock as their feathers. And the last section is to create the feathers of our peacock. So head over to your elements and search for oval eye. And use an oval eye that's free if you're going on free account or whichever one, but now you're going to be using different colors so you can get inspiration from anywhere. I went and I found an inspiration on Splash and I'm going to use those colors to color my peacock's feathers the way that I want. The logo that we're creating is a burst of inspiration, so we want a burst of colors and go right ahead all around our peacock we're going to be creating these feathers in different colors.
Man, I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from it.
I thought we might as well add the name of the YouTube channel as well as their slogan. So I've used the Barlow condensed bold text for this one as well as on our slogan, and then I will go right ahead and add the feathers of our peacock. So I'm going to fast forward this process. Have fun with this. Let me know in the comments below if this is adding value to you. Splash the like button, crash the, you know what, let me know if this is adding value to you.
Taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Now we are ready to download our design. We're gonna click on share and we're gonna download it as a transparent background, and we're gonna download a PNG file. And then we're going to search erase.bg or remove.bg. We're going to take away all the extra shapes that we've added in white. So once you've accessed remove.bg, you're going to upload the 2D design that you've made on Canva. And then remove.bg is going to take away the white and the background and all the extra things we don't want. Then we're going to click on download. And then we're ready to go convert it on Photopea. So before we go ahead and convert it on Photopea, I want to show you real quick how to download a 3D logo mockup and how to use that on Photopea. So we're going to use a website called unblast.com. I'll link it in the description below. Then you're going to search for 3D logo mockup. Then you're going to scroll down until you find a mockup that you like. Once you find the one that you like, you just click and you open it, and then you download it to your computer or your phone in order for you to use on Photopea. It's as easy as that. After you access Photopea, you're going to select Open from Computer, and then you go to your download files on your computer or your phone, and you then click on the PSD file to open it on the software that you're going to convert. After it has loaded, you're going to double click where it says edit me, or sometimes the words would be logo here or add your design here. So then click on the eye to hide the design as example, and then click and drag your 2D design and then size it, align it until you're comfortable and happy. Then press Command S or Control S if you're using Windows to convert it to Smart Object. And then click on the first tab to go find your 3D logo that you have converted. And all you do now is you print it. You're going to go File, Export As, and you can choose the type of file that you want to export as. PNG, SVG, it's up to you. And you can choose the width and the height. Usually, if you don't like pixelation, you can reduce the size, and you click on Save. The file is exported. To go learn how to use freepeak.com downloading 3D files, you can go watch this next video. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you on our next video.